Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we are exploring one of the most magical free light festival in the UK, the Bristol Light Festival 2026. Whether you are planning a visit or just curious about event, you are at the right place. Imagine 10 nights of dazzling light installation, interactive art, family friend experiences, and art that transforms an entire city. Sounds amazing, right? Let's dive in. So, Bristol Light Festival is free citywide celebration of light and creativity taking place in Bristol, England from 19th to 20th Feb 2026. It's become one of the city most anticipated event, showcasing incredible light installation across parks, streets, historic buildings, and public spaces. Headlining this year is renowned visual artist Liz West with two breathtaking installation, Our Color and Our Color Reflection. Another is the Light series, interactive hot air balloons, a brand new interactive installation by Cameroon Balloons, inspired by Bristol rich history of ballooning. This display invites you, yes, you, to pull the cords and watch beautiful glowing hot air balloons light up with the sound and color. This year, festival stretch across more of the city than ever before, including Redcliffe, Chabot Circus, Park Street, Spike Island, Portland Square. So you are not just visiting one spot, you are exploring the whole city through light and art. Expect interactive experiences, walking tours, family activities, and even local business hosting events during the festival. The best part, it's free to attend. So everyone can enjoy Bristol creativity and color, no ticket needed. Here are few tips before you go. Visit in early evening to avoid crowds. Wear comfy shoes. There's a lot to explore. Bring a camera. This festival is Instagram gold. Check official updates, weather, and accessibility info. So, if you are excited about Bristol Light Festival 2026, hit that like button and let us know where did you want to visit first in the comment. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel and festive guides. Thank you. Thank you for watching.